fog curls low through the abbey stones, whispering names the wind has known. Silver threads through time unwind, dreams of Avalon drift in my mind. Hush where the echoes sleep, ancient hearts in shadows deep. Echo through dragon's breath, calling the lost from the edge of death. Glassed and skies in ghostly bloom, breathing life through the abbey's tomb. Bells of memory faintly ring, where spirits of the mist still sing. Tor stands high, a watching flame, guarding secrets none can name. Echo through dragon's breath, calling the lost from the edge of death. Whispers rise and fade and fall. In the fog I hear it all. If I breathe, will the past breathe too? If I listen, will it answer true? Through the silence, through the grave, echoes guide my heart.